How to make WeTransfer link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can make WeTransfer link. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, go to WeTransfer.com. So once you land on this kind of interface, head towards your left hand side. There you will see this box in your interface. Now here you have to add your file or folder. So first of all, add your file or folder that you want to create a link for. After that, click on open. Now you have to enter your email address and then you have to verify it. Once you enter your email address, you will receive a verification code in your inbox. So you have to check your inbox and then type in the code to verify. Once verified, you will see this check mark next to your email. So once you have added your file, you have to click on get a link. So wait for a while. Now you have your link. You can copy the link and then share it. So that's how you can make WeTransfer link, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.